So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to tap on the Boomplay app for some while. This is going to pop up. Tap on the app info, and you're going to be in the app info of Boomplay. Now tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Go back and tap on for stop, then you tap on OK. What you have to do is to tap on the permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still going on. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or mobile data and restriction, which depends on the phone that you are using. So make sure the background data is still good on, as you can see over here. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. When you get into Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for Boomplay. So after searching for Boomplay, what you have to do is to tap on the update to update this Boomplay app. So as you can see, you have to get the latest update of this Boomplay app. So after updating it, you are going to see open over here. So when you see open, what you have to do lastly is to restart your device. So what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and this is going to pop up. Then you tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device.